In today's video, I'm going to share a method with you to make money online and from home, which is incredibly simple. It's absolutely free to get started with, and this can be done in a number of ways. Now, the idea for today's video came about purely because I was doing a little bit of research for something, and it wasn't to do with blogging or YouTube, it was to do with this over here. Now, this is a website over in the UK, it's called Studio. Now, I was looking for something for my daughter for in the garden, and I'll show you what I was searching for, and I'll just bring this up now. And it was this over here. It's called a mud kitchen. So, for kids to go ahead and play around with in the garden. This one here, only $49.99. So this one here looks pretty good and sturdy and, ticks all of the boxes for what I was looking for. But I like to do research for anything I'm looking at buying online. So I thought, well, I'll go ahead and check out, eBay, Amazon, and many more. Now look at this here, right? So this kitchen here, where is it? It's here. It's $49.99. They will deliver it for you, for free, so there's no extra costs for this. So I thought, pretty cool. However, let's go ahead and check on eBay. So I come over here onto eBay. Now look at this. Someone is selling this one here for £79. Okay, and not only are they selling it, let me show you this. I'm going to click on one sold. They sold one at £79. They sold this on the 20th of April. Today's date is can you see that? The 26th. So 6 days ago, they sold this item, the same one, go back over here, for £79, and they purchased it from here for £49. And it's the exact same one, look, same picture, everything. They've literally taken everything from this listing here, and they've put it over onto eBay. And then I thought, sorry, let me move my head down. So then I thought, I wonder if this seller's doing, anything else. So I literally went over here and I clicked on Visit Shop. And literally the short version of the story is, if you scroll down here, basically what they're doing is, they're going through this website over here, and all they're doing here is, they're doing product arbitrage. So they're coming over to this studio here, and they're going through, literally, finding products, and they're literally sticking them on eBay. It's that simple. So if you scroll down here, literally just go through and have a look at it. I can't remember the other one I found. Let's just have a look at this one. Hopefully this will be over there, but 5-piece kitchen storage tins. So I'm going to take this. Look at this, 8 sold, last one available. Let's go ahead and have a look on here. See, if they did get it from this studio website over here. So we'll scroll to the top. I'm going to paste that into here. I'm going to click on go. And hopefully, no, so it's not on this website here, but let's do something else. Let's go over here and paste this on here and have a look. Let's say, look, yeah, it is Studio. Let me click on that. And look at this, 5-piece heart storage set. Let's go back over to eBay. Where's it gone? Where's it gone? This one over here. £35. It's literally ridiculous. And if I come back over here again, oh, not this one. Let me get rid of that one there. Let me come back over here. Where's it gone? Have I got rid of it? Is it this one? Yes, this one here. Sorry, look. Let me just open this and drag it back over here next to the eBay one so you can see this. It's the exact same thing. Look. Picture. Come back over here. It's the same one. And that's what they're doing over on this eBay shop here. They're literally going over to this website here, this studio. They're downloading the image here. They're uploading this here, and let's just go into the description of this. So scroll down here, look. Here's all of the information about this. So if I come back over here, let's go into here. Let's just scroll down, look. They're not even hiding it. It's literally copy and paste. So look, using this method here, literally you just copy from this website over here, this one here, this studio, and you copy, and once you've copied it, you paste it into your eBay description here. And then what happens is, once your item sells on eBay, then guess what you do? You jump over here onto this studio, and you literally get Studio to send it to your buyer over on eBay. Now, there's one other thing to take into account for this, because the difference. Normally, people would think, oh well, I'm buying it for £20. I'm selling it for 35, so I'm making some pretty decent profit. However, you need to take into account eBay fees and PayPal. So you can use, again, this is free. You can come over here. This website here, I'll drop a link to it below for you. It's called ebayfeescalculator.com. Now you can go ahead and change this to your own country as well. So if I scroll down here, you can use this and you'll see exactly how much you're going to make on this. So look, literally just start at the top. So sold price. So in this example here, let's go over here. So it's sold for £35. So if we go over here, let's just bring this over here. I'm going to type in here, I'm going to type in 35. Shipping charge, so look, you can see the amount of money the buyer will pay for the shipping. So they're not actually charging, no, down here, economy delivery, they're not charging anything. So we'll leave that at 0. Item cost, well, this will actually cost us, if we was to buy it today, £19.99. Shipping cost, it's 0. Quantity sold 1. Seller type is private. Payment processing, well, let's just go with PayPal. Top rated seller is no. And then no. Let's just scroll down here. So you can see here, look, this is your total profit. So overall, once you've taken away the eBay fee and also the PayPal fees, for this one item alone here, you're going to earn £10.19. Pretty cool. Let's go ahead and have a look at the other one really quickly just to see how much they've earned from that. But you can see here, all of these items here, they're just drop shipping. Essentially, that's what this is. It's drop shipping or product arbitrage. And you might be thinking, well, why on earth would somebody go ahead and purchase this product over here on eBay without going over to this other website themselves? A lot of people probably don't even know that this website exists. It's genuinely as simple as that. So if we come back up here, let's just find the first one, which was, let me go back over here, £79. I mean, that's just crazy. And it was $49.99. So come up here, sold price, £70, item cost, £49, go down, that one there, £11.67. So look, do you have time to do this? I reckon so. It's pretty simple. So how do you do it? Well, literally, we come over to, in this example, you come over to this website here, this studio, and look, you can literally just go on to New In. Go on New In and literally go through and download the pictures or screenshot the pictures and then just take the listings and put them over onto eBay. And look, don't just limit yourself to eBay. With this, you can do Facebook Marketplace, you can do Amazon, you can do Gumtree, Craigslist, whatever basically. But you see over here, this is working. This person is selling items. And if we come back over here to feedback, let's just have a look at recent feedback. So in the last month, look, they've had 60, they've had 3 negatives, no neutrals, and 68 positive. Come down here, you can see all of the items, what they're selling. And look, lovely, Let's just see if anybody has commented saying you've bought it from the studio website. No. So nobody's commented, because normally what happens is, if you're doing this traditional drop shipping whereby you drop shipping from Amazon to eBay, a lot of people would say, what if it arrives in the Amazon packaging? Will the customers be annoyed? A lot of the time, no, because ultimately they're happy because they've got the product that they want at a price that they're happy with. And in this example here, I mean, this is just awesome, isn't it? I think you'll agree. So look, that's today's video. So look, if you're going to try this method, comment down below and let me know, because overall it's a pretty simple and easy method to make money online and from home. Just remember, if you are going to use this, to ensure that you do take into account your eBay fees and also your PayPal fees. And you can see down here, these fees do add up. But if you're, selling it for a lot more than what you're actually purchasing it for, then you can earn some pretty decent money, as we can see here. So look, that's today's video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But look, thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.